It's 2025 and you're thinking, hey, maybe it's time I finally get a hold of my finances so I can take that vacation I've been meaning to go on, or make that big purchase you've been holding off, or simply just to get out of debt and have a fresh start. Whatever your reasons, I'm here to tell you that they matter. Not only that, you can achieve them. I'm going to go over a simple yet effective method that has proven to organize and give results to your financial well-being so that you're able to live more freely. Hey, what's up? My name is Markeith, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new here, a topic that I love talking about is finance. I think it's really empowering to be able to take your money and have it work for you very effectively and efficiently. And something that I'm also very passionate about is taking all of the knowledge that I've learned and that I'm continuing to learn and passing it on to you guys. I think whenever someone's on a new financial journey or wanting to make better financial decisions, it's important for them to know that there are people out there that are rooting for them, that want them to succeed and achieve that life that they want to attain. And so I want to be one of those people for you, and that's kind of what this channel is about also. And with all that being said, I want to get into a budgeting system known as cash envelope stuffing, aka the cash envelope system. So with all that being said, let's just get straight into today's video. We're going to start very simple and just go into what is cash envelope stuffing. This term specifically has become very popularized as of recently because it's trending on TikTok, but the cash envelope system has been around for decades. It's a budgeting system that's used to help you control overspending and impulse spending, especially in today's digital age where credit card companies make it very easy for you to overspend, especially with advancements such as Apple Pay, Tap Pay, digital wallets. We're rarely ever in a situation where we don't have access to our money, and so the cash envelope system is meant to create a barrier of separation. So just think a little bit more before you spend your hard-earned money. Moving on to the second part of this video, we're going to get into how does it work. And it's simple. So what you want to do is write out all of your spending categories for the month. Where is your money going each month? And so what you want to do is write out all of your spending categories, and you can do this at a very broad or specific level. So for example, food is very broad, but if you want to get more specific, you could break it down into restaurants, groceries, takeout, drinks, etc. The more specific you are, the more control you have. And so once you have all of your spending categories written out, so rent, utilities, things of that nature, each spending category is going to be given an envelope, and you write that category on the front of the envelope. And so the thing is, you allot each envelope to a specific budget for the month. So say for food, for example, you could give it a budget of $600 a month. And so whenever you get paid, what you want to do is go to your bank, withdraw your whole paycheck, and then separate the money from your paycheck based off of the spending categories you have. So say rent is $1,500. You take $1,500 from your paycheck and put it towards rent. Food, $600. Spending and pleasure money, $400, etc., etc. You decide based off of your own financial needs and goals. And so the way this works is if you need to spend money on food, groceries, whatever, you take from that specific envelope with that budget that you've set for the month. And so if you run out of money for that specific envelope for the month, you don't touch money from any of the other envelopes. What you do is you wait until the end of the month when that envelope is replenished, and then from there you can spend again, and then you repeat the cycle month over month. Something that's worth noting is if you get paid bi-weekly, which I feel like the majority of you do, this system can still work for you. So what you want to do is take the total spending limit for your specific categories of the month and divide by 2. So for the food example again, we had $600 in total for that budget. We divide it by 2, which gives us $300. So when you get paid for the first time of the month, you take your paycheck out of the bank, and then you take $300 and put it towards the category of food. And then when you get paid the second time for the month, you do the exact same thing, take out $300, put it towards food to give you a total of $600 for the month. And this can be adjusted based on your pay period, and whenever you get paid is when your envelopes become replenished. Now that we know what cash envelope stuffing is, how it works, we're going to get into why it works. And it comes down to basic human psychology, and that is because cash is tangible. When you spend money on something, it physically leaves you, and we're more likely to form attachments to our cash. And the act of spending taking your money out of your wallet and giving it away will make you think twice before you actually spend money on something that you may or may not need. And with today's digital age, as something to compare it to, with the click of two buttons, you can spend a bunch of money and not even give it a second thought. And haven't you realized how easy it is that these credit card companies and websites make it for us to purchase things without giving it a second thought? Now that we're able to save our payment methods within our accounts and things of that nature, having the cash envelope stuffing method adds an extra barrier in between it and really gives you time to think about, is this a purchase that I truly want, or is it impulse spending? And so even just having that quick second to think about, is this what I really want, can be a big game changer in people's budgeting and make the world of a difference. There you have it, the cash envelope stuffing system. If you're planning to use this method or you're already using it, let me know in the comments below. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it a lot, and look forward to more financial literacy videos. But until then, I will see you guys next time.